Now that I have reclaimed my display from the clutches of the devil, we're back to basically a default create React app. First thing I'm going to do is go into package.json and get our old friend what's it called working? ESLint. So let me open up Note Herder real quick. Package.json. I need to add this to the end of my package.json. There it is. ESLint config extends React app. What are you doing over here? You belong on my other monitor. You won't let me move to my other monitor because you are a jerk. So I will just drag every individual window. Be that way. Okay. So anyway, I was trying to paste that in Slack. Don't forget, you'll have to add the trailing comma after your scripts. Now ESLint config is there, and Visual Studio Code will start using it. So we can change a couple things. I can go to index.html, just change the title from React App to API Party. Go inside source to app.js. We can get rid of some of this nonsense. We don't need logo SVG. We'll replace all this with just something like H1 API Party. We'll open up app.css. Get rid of everything except these, maybe these two. App and app header. How's that sound? Or maybe just app. Yeah, that'll do. Get rid of everything else. Save. And now I just see API Party. That seems good. So, no active source control providers. In other words, we are not in a Git repository, so we need to run git init. We're old pros at that now. So now I can commit. Initial commit. No place to push yet. Must go onto GitHub and do that thing, right? So I will create a new repository called API Party. And I will run those familiar 2 lines to push an existing repository from the command line. If I get an error about something about ref spec, that means I haven't committed yet, but I did commit first. And if that failed, I would need to run git push-u origin master again, because git remote add origin should have worked. But they both worked. So I now have a repository. If I refresh, there it is. And it's still an empty Create React App project at the moment.